We're Designing Spaces, the show that's all about you and your space, your home and surroundings. I'm Debbie Marie.
Yes, she is, and I'm David Jones, and as you can see, we are protected. Homeowners are very aware that there are basic maintenance and actions that need to be done to protect their homes.
Right, so this is our little subtle reminder.
Subtle?
Subtle.
Okay.
Okay, on the show today, and we're going to look at measures how you can protect your home in a number of ways.
So stick around and see it all right here, protected on Designing Spaces.
Just subtle. There are so many things that you can do to protect your home and belongings physically. But what about market value?
You know what, Debbie? I don't think there's any getup we could possibly get into to represent that. Maybe watch out for falling market values and house prices. In today's housing market, wow.
Yes, you might be surprised. And it's called home value insurance. And if you own a home, you're going to want to see this. Watch.
Most likely, your home is your largest asset. And because it is such a large part of your life, you have insurance against damage, the contents inside, all of your possessions. But what about changes in its value? Believe it or not, there is an insurance for shifts in market value. It's called Home Value Protection Insurance. And Designing Spaces is here to give you the full story. We're here to meet Nicole to discuss how the right insurance policy can give us the peace of mind that we all dream about.
Hi, I'm Nicole Machaney, and I just bought this house. I got a great deal on it. It was a good deal for me, but not so good for the previous owner. He really took a hit on it. And I was wondering, is there any way to prevent that from happening to me in the future?
Meet Teri Felix with Home Value Insurance Company, an innovator in the new field of home value protection.
For most homeowners, their home is their largest investment, and they can't afford to lose money when they sell their home. That's why we developed Home Value Protection Insurance.
With the Home Value Protection Policy, a homeowner is insured for loss of value caused by the real estate market. The homeowner will receive an insurance payout to cover that loss at the time they sell their home.
Who exactly would this apply to, and why would they want it?
Home value protection would apply to really anyone that has expects to move in the next 2 to 10 years, I would say.
This type of insurance can be beneficial for homeowners who have equity in their home they want to protect, and who may be in a position where they want to move or need to move even though the real estate market is down.
So if you take our homeowner we've been talking to here, she's someone who has put a large down payment into their home and wants to make sure that when she sells, that down payment is there as well as all the equity that she's created paying down her mortgage.
Retirees and older boomers are especially vulnerable to housing market downturns as they often don't have the benefit of time to make up for loss of equity.
So it sounds like every homeowner would need this or would want this. Is there anybody it wouldn't apply to?
There's two groups of people I would say it doesn't apply to. The first one is people that are planning to sell in the next year or so. They're unlikely to benefit from the insurance. The other group of people would be those who've never planned to move. I would caution those people, though, that oftentimes moves are unplanned. About 50% of moves today are unplanned.
Teri's telling me about the program, and everything she said sounds really great, but the one thing that's still on my mind, just like it is with everyone, is it sounds great, but how much is this going to cost me?
For most people to insure their largest investment, their home, costs about $1 a day. So for a home that's, let's say, $150,000, it's only going to cost them about $20 a month in order to insure that asset.
The cost of a policy will vary based on the insured value of the home and the home's location.
So I was talking to my brother the other day, and he's a worrier just like me, always worrying about everything. And he was asking me about the program. He said it sounded great, but we were wondering, would it work for him because he already owns his home?
If you're an existing homeowner and you think about someone that's lived in their home for maybe 15 years, they have a lot of equity in that home they want to protect. And if anything, they need this insurance more to make sure that they are protected for downturns in the housing market.
And it looks like Nicole had all of her worrisome questions answered.
What a great product. Is there a website we can find out more about this?
Absolutely. So if you go to homevalueprotection.com, you can get information about the insurance. You can also get a quote, so your viewers can easily go on the site within a couple of minutes, find out how affordable this insurance is to protect their home.
That is so awesome, Teri. Thank you so much. Now, if you want to see this segment again, go to designingspaces.tv or check out our Facebook page. For Designing Spaces, it's Eric Bell signing off. I'll see you guys later.
You think we could take this off now? Glad we don't need to wear all this protective gear anymore.
You pull it off, though. I don't know how she does it. We really covered some ground today, and just in the nick of time, because we are out of time. I'm David Jones, and we'll see you next time.
I'm Debbie Marie. Bye-bye.
Yeah, really, I mean, we made the point.
Come on, come on. For more information about anything you've seen on today's show or to find out how to be part of the show, log on to designingspaces.tv.